So he brought back the 454 with a 350 in it, Chevy, 96. As you guys can see right there, he's still building it little by little. And he brought it back because those cats right there are the stock ones. He didn't want them anymore. He wanted some high flows. So here's the high flow cats right there and right there. So we put 2 new high flow cats on it. Still got the fat, you know, we did the X-Pipe and the BORLA Pro XS, and it got it dumped down the back. Right there, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it, see what you guys think. High flow cats. We'll give you a comparison with the other one that we did earlier in the year with the regular cats. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And it's raining really bad, so no drive off, just rev up video. There's sound decibels on it. There we go. Right at 97. So it's got high flow cats on it now. Let you guys hear on the inside.